Has been organized today at Press Club, Mangalore, when our CMD, Sri T.Saminathan sir, will brief the performance and present status of Kiocl Limited as well as the future plans, etc. to the media press representatives gathered here. On behalf of Kiocl Limited, I heartily extend a warm welcome to all the media press representatives present here on the occasion and request them to publish and save in their daily newspaper or TV channel, etc. I also welcome our CMD, T.Saminathan sir, and Director Commercial, Sri Mangalore sir, and present on the occasion. It is mentioned that media press representatives are always extending their valuable support and cooperation in highlighting the various issues related to progress and development of the company. We will be thankful to them for their appreciable efforts and request them to continue with the same in future too. Now I request our CMD to start the press meet with the media press representative. Thank you.
ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ KOCL ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ CMD ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮ ವಾಸ್ತವ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ 7 ನಾವು 3 ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸುಪಾಸಿನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ 472 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು CSR ಫಂಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್
Director Sri P.K. Mahapatraji and my media friends, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure and privilege to address the Mangalore media. I always perish to come to media to see Srinivas and his team. They are very cooperative and they are helpful to KOCL company, and my thanks to them also for arranging this press meet today. Let me thank the Karnataka government and the government of India for allotment of Devadari mine for KOCL after closure of Kudramukh mine. The Devadari mine, the statutory clearances like IBM approval, environmental clearance, consent for establishment, stage 1 forest clearance and stage 2 forest clearance we got recently, and the mining lease deed has been signed on 2nd January 2023, and the lease deed has been registered in KOCL name along with the DMG Karnataka in the name of KOCL. With this, the Kudramukh Iron Ore Company Limited, formerly today KOCL Limited, has got a raw material security after closure of Kudramukh Iron Ore mine. This Devadari mine is a lifeline for KOCL, and this has a potential of about 388 hectares mining lease area, comprising to the reserve of about 33 million tons, which is to be established, and then we are going to take up the developmental activities in the coming days. With this, I think this Mangalore pellet plant also will get the raw material, and also our blast furnace unit will get the iron ore lumps required for operating the blast furnace unit. And this is a really good sign for the company to begin with from the year 2023 onwards. With regard to performance of the company, last year I addressed you all that our company has done extremely well, and we made a profit of about 411 crores and PAT of around 313 crores and highest revenue of 3030 crores and odd. This year, due to implementation of the government policy of imposition of export duty on pellets in the May month, the company could not operate for 4 to 5 months time. Subsequently, with our persuasion with the Ministry of Steel, and in turn Ministry of Steel pursued with the Ministry of Finance, and finally the export duty on pellets was withdrawn in the month of November 2022, and subsequently we started operating. And though we made till September 146 crores during the current year 2022-23, but we are sure that after removal of the duty, and we are progressing well. The current market position also favoring us, so we will be able to at least cover up our loss in the coming days. So with this, our Kiocl Limited is gotten a lot of opportunity and potential in the coming days. And thirdly, we are also into the mineral exploration job from 2015 onwards. We are getting the very good support from the Karnataka government and also from the National Mineral Exploration Trust, NMET, and we have got sufficient orders with us from Karnataka government as well as from other state governments. And recently we got orders from even JSW also for the exploration activities. So that vertical also is yielding some results, and this vertical has got a very good potential in the coming days regarding the exploration job. So in total, I think company, whatever the earlier glory was there for the Kiocl, now we are gaining the momentum, and we will come back to our original glory of Kiocl Limited in the coming days. Other than that, project side, for improvising our production at the pellet plant, we started modernizing our plant. One such the facility being created is vertical pressure filter. The 4 numbers vertical pressure filters at 126 crores have already been installed, and only the auxiliary equipment which are required to be commissioned are being erected now. So maybe in next 2 to 3 months time, that vertical pressure filter also will be commissioned. So this will help us in improving the productivity of pellet plant. So thereby we can increase the capacity utilization and bottom line also. Then coming to the blast furnace unit, which is idle since 2009 due to economic non-viability, Government of India has approved certain projects for backward and forward integration. As a backward integration, now we are already started constructing the 1.87 lakh tons coke oven plant with a non-recovery type, and also having a power plant. So with this, I think we can restart our blast furnace unit also. So the verticals from single vertical of pellet plant, now we are moving towards another 2-3 verticals of iron ore fines, and the development of exploration, and also the revival of blast furnace unit. I think that these are the major activities which the company has taken up. And in addition, since we are in Dakshina Kannada, Mangalore, we have taken up a lot of CSR activities in and around, and every year we are spending to the tune of around 2 to 2.5 crores for the Dakshina Kannada district. This year 2022-23 also we allocated fund of about 2 crores and odd. I think the detailed list we will be sharing with you what all the CSR expenses which we are spending. Even today also we given some 20 grass cutting machines to the Beltangada MLA Mr. Harish Punjab, who came to our plant. He has inaugurated and handed over the grass cutting machines. We are generally thankful to the Mangalore community for their the real support being extended to us. And we being a neighborhood of Mangalore, we always be with you, and whatever the best possible support from KOCL, we will be continuously giving you the best support. And I am really thankful to the media Mangalore for having given me this opportunity, and thank you one and all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You mentioned about that Devadari mine.
Yes, sir.
Are you planning to start the mining work and what would be the manufacturing from that?
So Devadari mine, since the all clearances are in place, so we need to create some certain road, approach road, and also for taking up the mining activity, some developmental work. It will take not less than 1 year for starting the mining activity, but we are on the job. We will be starting. Then there also we are planning to have similar type of beneficiation and pellet plant to the extent of 2 million tons beneficiation and 2 million ton pellet plant in the Devadari iron ore mine head. So for which we need to do the detailed exploration works, and based on the detailed exploration work we need to prepare the DPR, detailed project report. So based on the DPR we will take up the beneficiation and pellet plant subsequently. To start with, we will be doing the mining activity initially.
So by 25
We are trying to operationalize the mine. As per the mine plan, there are 3-4 categories. The stage-wise production has to be done. Initially, 1 year there won't be any production. So subsequent year, 3 lakhs. Then next year 5 lakhs. Then like that, the year-wise improvement we have to do. By the 4th or 5th year, we have to come to the 2 million tons production. So by then, we will also have the beneficiation facility by then. So meanwhile, we will go for the exploration job, prepare the DPR, take the approval, and go for the beneficiation and pelletization plant. Yeah.
Sir, what is this blast furnace unit?
Yeah, blast furnace unit, ma'am, Government of India has approved to the extent of 836 crores to put up a coke oven plant, power plant, and also forward integration of putting up ductile and spun pipe plant. But as of now, we have ordered only the coke oven plant, which is under construction now. That to the extent of about 225 crores that has already been ordered, and it is under construction. With regard to other packages, there are some policy issues and technical issues are there. So due to which we are not taking up, we are looking for some partner to join with us.